so yesterday we got the Panda running. Now today we're gonna try and get it driving.
Hey, excited.
Excited. So we got diff fluid going in. We got new trans fluid going in. We have to put the drive shaft, the shift linkage slave, and the exhaust on, and that's about it. Aside from the upper cowl, the car's pretty much finished.
Be a good day. Aside
from tires and other stuff, we'll probably peek at the brakes today too. So today's gonna be a lot of us on our backs, which is not gonna be very fun.
Nothing Quinn's not used to.
There's not a whole lot left to do. So I gathered all our hardware for the drive shaft. Alex is down here undoing the transmission cross member so we can tilt it down and attach the shift linkage.
Okay, it's on.
Is it on?
Yep.
Nice. Where's what go? Oh, that's an O2. That goes through the little hole up here. But I'm not worried about that right now. Let it hang.
Hang out, little guy.
I want you to come feel your car, bro. You gotta tell me if your clutch isn't working or if your shifter's not working right before we go out and drive.
That's good.
Loose as tits, but. Leave him loose, leave him loose. Ta-da!
Not bright red though.
Some steep red. Needed to be changed.
Yeah.
Pump that juice, boy. Pump that juice. Pump it. All that juice. Get that in there, boy. Pump that juice. So pull the bit out. Yeah. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Yeah, so right about there.
Where's the cap?
Should be right there. Yeah, nice steady stream. You see how it's consistent?
Yeah.
Transmission's done. Moving on to the diff.
Ow, that hurt.
Oh, you alright?
That shit hurt.
This my shit.
I hit my face.
Oh, damn. Shit.
Cracked it though.
You ain't about the diff life?
After that one, eyebrows gonna be inflated.
That was like a whole body experience.
You're telling me, bro. That was rough to watch.
There you go. Just taking a peek at our brakes. They're pretty rusty, but we do have a decent amount of pad left. So I think that's gonna come off and they should kind of come back to normal just fine. So I'm not worried about that at all. We should probably do them at some point, but I think those are good enough for our first drive.
Is it backward?
Back, up. Ta-da!
Got him?
Yeah.
assuming the bar is like facing upward.
I think it's time for the test drive, my guy.
Yeah, I think Guy needs to move his car though.
He does.
Otherwise, test drive's got to be 4 feet.
Yeah. Look at that wheel gap, though. God damn. Let's get a first start exhaust clip. Hey, Danny boy! We are literally about to ask him to move to go on our first drive.
Oh yeah?
You pulled up right in time for first drive.
Hell yeah! I brought stuff to do project on this.
Oh yeah? What'd you bring?
So I brought the headlights. What?
Ooh, we gonna take care of your spot today?
Yeah.
I'm down. I'm down.
Damn. That sound bone stunk.
It actually doesn't sound bad.
No, it sounds good. Hell yeah, it runs.
Yeah, nice, right?
Dude, look at your tires, bro.
We're about to go out on those.
I know. Yeah, boy.
Test them brakes. Dude, that exhaust is smoking shit out. That's new. Well, regardless.
Let's make me
Yo! Yeah, just kind of work on the brakes a little bit, because they're just gonna glaze the rust off. So leave it. Yeah, you hear it. So leave it in second and just lightly hold on the brakes as we go down this hill.
That's how mine was.
Yeah, you just feel the rust like coming off.
It took mine like a week to completely rub off.
That's how these are probably gonna be.
These brakes are a lot smoother than mine.
This thing rides nice, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude.
Yeah, this thing rides way nice.
Can't tell you how happy this makes me.
Was that you?
That was me on the gas.
Okay. Well, just drive it smooth, because you're freaking me out when you do that.
I'm trying.
You're trying?
What do you mean?
Was it just not going?
Yeah, it wasn't going. I'm gonna flip a bitch.
No, go to the park.
You sure about that, Chief?
Yeah, you sure? Here, let me drive it.
Smoke there.
There's a little bit at idle. I still think it's that exhaust.
Yeah. It's gonna take a while for it to all get out of that fucking...
I mean, it didn't smoke at all.
Yeah.
The exhaust off, right? So what's...
I mean, it had a little bit, but it was just
and
like
it was
regular
sitting,
exhaust.
It was sitting on the ground the whole time. It was raining hard as
That's true.
So, I mean, there's definitely some rain or some water in that shit.
It smells like wet dog.
Yeah, straight up it does.
That's how you know it smells. That's how you know it's just packing, bro.
Yeah.
It's just the packing in the muffler.
It's just water vapor. That's why I was tasting the oil to see if there was any coolant in it.
Yeah.
It'd be sweet, right?
Yeah, it'd be sweet. We put BMW blue in it. And the coolant was fine. There was no oil in it. I mean, this thing's got a brand new head and a brand new head gasket. And if the block was cracked, it'd be misfiring its ass off.
And it's not.
Better than the Jito. This is super smooth, and these seats are actually really nice.
Even now, she just still feels like shit. definitely feels better than my M, I can tell you that. The shocks don't even feel blown, bro.
I know they don't. So we'll do Brody's?
Not yet.
On these?
Yeah, why not? They're going anyways.
Not yet.
Still gotta drive back.
Mr. Guy.
Alright, test drive was successful. The exhaust is still blowing out some stuff. We had heavy rains this year, and this thing was on the floor pretty much the whole time.
Dude, this headlight is so crusty. Literally. Look at that headlight.
Oh my god.
That was my low beam that I was using.
What is that? Alright, well,
I want to figure out which one.
we're going to do headlight stuff on Danny's M3. We're probably going to do headlight stuff on Alex's because these are being given to Alex. We might do some taillight stuff, but that's about it for today. It's been a long journey to actually get this thing running and driving, but we made it. Yeah, boy, another E36 in the squad of E36s. All right, I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Ow, baby. Ow. This thing's gonna clean up so nice, bro.